Sea salt burns your eyes, and the planks of the Santa Maria groan beneath your feet after 30 days of sailing into the absolute void. In the shadow of the masts, your crew is sharpening knives. You can feel their cold, hungry stare burning into your back. You aren't just a navigator anymore. You are a madman who promised kings mountains of gold, but found only an infinite, terrifying horizon. Close your eyes. Hear the roar of an ocean that wants to swallow you whole, and feel the cold weight of the iron chains that will soon snap around your wrists. This is your life as the Admiral who discovered a new world and lost everything. You weren't born for the sea. You were born to the hum of a weaver's loom in Genoa. But the thread and cloth were your prison. Your only escape was the parchment scrolls of ancient geographers. While others saw ink and lines, you saw a path through the unreachable blue. You traded your youth for the smell of old maps and the quiet obsession of a man who knows the world is a sphere, even when the church calls it a heresy. For years, you are a ghost in the royal courts of Europe. You spend a decade kneeling on cold stone floors, begging for ships, while counselors laugh at your maps. They call you a dreamer, a fool, a foreign beggar with a silver tongue and empty pockets. But every no only hardens your resolve. You aren't asking for permission to sail. You are asking for a throne at the edge of the world. Finally, the Queen's signature gives you your chance, or your death warrant. The moment of triumph. After weeks of mutiny and despair, the cry of "Land ho!" shatters the silence of the Atlantic. You step onto the white sand, the first European to breathe this air, and for a moment, you are a god. You plant the silk banner in the soil, claiming a continent for a crown that is thousands of miles away. You are the Admiral of the ocean sea, the discoverer of Eden, unaware that this paradise is built on a foundation of coming tragedy.
The dream turns into a nightmare of iron. Court intrigue and your own iron-fisted rule have turned the crown against you. You return to Spain not in glory, but in clanking chains, accused of tyranny and madness. You watch from a prison cell as massive galleons, Zuatem, sail back from the land you found. They harvest the wealth of your discovery, while you sit in the dark, clutching worthless charts and a legacy that is being erased by the stroke of a courtier's pen.
You die in a dusty room in Valladolid, forgotten by the world you changed forever. Others will name the continents after themselves. Others will wear the gold jewelry of the new world. You are the Admiral of nothing, staring at the ceiling through bloodshot, weary eyes, seeing the horizon one last time. You paid the price of sanity for a map that no one else dared to draw. You are now history.
You were the navigator who reached for the stars and was dragged down by the weight of chains. If you are ready to live the life of the next legend, subscribe to History Persona. The journey has just begun. Don't just watch history, live it.